Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reinstall Windows 10 using USB flash drive on Dell computer. Now be it any model number, if you have Inspiron or XPS or Alienware or Latitude or Optiplex, so be it any model number, the process to reinstall operating system remains the same. So first of all, open any browser and then type in media creation tool in Google search and then go to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. So now here you will see media creation tool. So click on download tool now. Now run this exe file, then click on yes to allow. Now this will open up media creation tool on your computer. Now go to File Explorer. So open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC. Now you go ahead and plug in your flash drive. So connect your USB flash drive to the USB port on your computer, and then here you will be able to see your flash drive. Now make sure that the flash drive is empty. So if it's not empty, you can make a right click and then you have to click on format. So if you have any data on your flash drive, then make sure that you create a backup, you create a new folder and transfer all the data, to some other folder. And because we are going to format this, so make a right click, then click on format and then click on start. And when you format, you will lose all the data on the flash drive. So click on OK. Then click on OK and then close this window. And here you can see the media creation tool. So agree to the terms, click on accept. So you need a USB flash drive of 8 gigabytes. So anything between 8 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes will work. So make sure that you connect your empty flash drive to the computer, and we will go ahead and download Windows 10, and after that we'll make a bootable media. So it's taking some time. So here you can see the two options. One is upgrade this PC now. The second one is create installation media USB flash drive. So we have to select the second option, which says create installation media, and then click on next. And then we are downloading Windows 10, so click on next. Then you have to go ahead and select the USB flash drive and then click on next. And here you have to go ahead and select your USB flash drive. So make sure that you have only one USB flash drive connected to your computer. Disconnect all the external devices. If you have any other external devices, maybe like external hard drive or any other flash drive, so make sure that you select the right USB flash drive which you want to use, then click on next. And once the download is complete, it will go ahead and create a bootable media. So let this complete. So here you can see the download is complete, and you can see the prompt which says your USB flash drive is ready. You have to go ahead and click on finish. Yeah. Now once you click on finish, you can go ahead and eject the flash drive. So go to this PC, open File Explorer, go to this PC, then select your flash drive, then make a right click, then click on eject. Now you can go ahead and unplug your flash drive right now. Now after you unplug the flash drive, now you have to go ahead and plug in this flash drive to the Dell computer. Now once you connect the USB flash drive to the Dell computer where you want to install the Windows 10, you have to go ahead and restart your Dell computer. So start your computer, and as soon as you start the computer, immediately you have to keep on tapping the F12 key on the keyboard. So if you look at the keyboard, on the very top row of your keyboard, you will find many function key. So that function key like F1, F2, F3, F4. So you have to start the computer, and then you have to immediately keep on tapping the F12 key on the keyboard. Now once you keep on tapping F12, it will take you to the boot option. So on that screen, you have to go ahead and select your USB flash drive. So you will see the name of your flash drive, or it may be the name may be USB storage device, or you may see USB 1. So you have to go ahead and select your USB flash drive, and then you have to hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now once you hit the enter key, you will see this screen which will tell you to go ahead and select the language, time in currency, then keyboard or input method. Select it as in English United States, then click on next. Then you have to go ahead and click on install now. Agree to the terms. Then you have to select the option which says custom option, and once you click on custom option, you will see this prompt. You will see this window which has a lot of partitions over here. Now in my computer I have two hard drives. So one is SSD, other is hard drive, mechanical hard drive. So you have to go ahead and select the hard drive on which you want to install the operating system. In case if you have a single hard drive, then you don't have to worry about anything. So you have to go ahead and delete all the partition. Now let me inform you before you delete the partition. So whatever data you have on the computer will be lost. So when you reinstall Windows 10 on the computer, you will lose the data on the computer. So I just wanted to inform you. So you have to go ahead and delete all the partitions. So select the partition one by one, and then you have to go ahead and click on delete. So at the end you will have an option which says drive 0 unallocated space, and this is where I want to install the operating system. And this is my secondary hard drive and the mechanical one. I don't want to use this hard drive. So I've selected, you will see unallocated space. You have to select that, then you have to go ahead and click on next, and then it will start installing the Windows 10. And once the installation is complete, it will tell you to set up your computer. Then you have to go ahead and select your region, then you have to select the keyboard layout, and then it will be asking you to add additional keyboards. Select no. Then you have to go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi network. So enter the password for your Wi-Fi, and then it will prompt you to sign in with Microsoft account. So if you don't want to use Microsoft account, you can click on offline account over here. And if you want to use Microsoft account, you can simply enter your username, your email and password. If you don't want it, click on offline account. Then you can create a local account. You have to enter your name and you can enter the password, whatever you want. And then if you want OneDrive, you can select it. If you don't want it, you can skip that step. If you want Cortana, you can select yes. If you don't want it, select no, and select the privacy settings. So if you want location to be on, speech recognition, or inking and typing, so whatever option you want, you can go ahead and check it. If you don't want anything, just disable it, then click on accept, and this will go ahead and take you to the login screen, and you can go ahead and log into your Dell computer. This is how you can go ahead and reinstall Windows 10 on your Dell PC. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.